Today we're taking a look at some solar lights for outdoor, some behind the scene footage and a tour of the camper, so stay tuned.
Hi everybody, this is Andreas from Offgrid Sweden. If you haven't been here before, I want to welcome you for the first time. On this channel I show you things that we do on the homestead, tips and tricks, reviews, stuff related to homesteading and off-grid living, and also videos like this one. If you haven't subscribed, please do so if you like the content, and you will get notified on new content. Now back to the topic of this video.
I did a video a while ago about some solar LED lights. I bought 2 of them and they performed well. In one of them a seal broke, so now I only got 1. I leave a link to that video. I bought 2 new ones that aren't as bright, but there are batteries in them that are replaceable, so that's good. They are the Brennenstuhl Sol 14 Plus. I leave a link to them in the description so you can check out the specs. We're going to mount them in some spots where we need some extra light. It starts to get dark at night and it's always nice to see where you are stepping. Be sure to watch till the end to see the result. Some of you have asked to see what kind of equipment I use, so here you get a sneak peek of my main camera. It's a 4K Panasonic HC-X1. It's my baby. I love this camera. It produces great shots but got a steep learning curve. So, the installation was really easy. Just attach the light with some screws in the trees and hook up the panel to the light. Before I started them, I actually left them to charge for a couple of days. It said so in the manual that I for once read. If you like this content, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything. And feel free to hit the thumbs and comment, share, and be a part of the community. Just a short message to Ed at PrepperNerds1. You should build this kind of roof for your camper now that Mom is going to stay there. We are also having a light in front of the camper, so we mount one up here too. A tip: don't drop a bit in the forest. It's like looking for a needle in a haystack. Some of you have asked about the camper. It have place for 6 persons. It's got a bunk bed in the back for 2 that I missed to film. The sitting group can be converted to a bed. In the back there is a really nice bed. You got a sink outside of the toilet, and in there you got a shower as well. We got a large refrigerator and small freezer that runs on propane, 12 volts and 220 volts. There is also a propane stove and a microwave. I will do a more detailed video about it and how we use it in a later episode. It's hard to film in the dark, but as you can see, the lights are working fine. They don't put out a lot of light, but enough so you don't trip over something. We will get back to them in a couple of months and see if they are still performing as well as they do now. Do you use solar lights? Please tell us in the comments. Is there a special one that you can recommend? Please share. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you down in the comments.
If you haven't subscribed already, do so by clicking down there on the Swedish flag, and then you can also click on the little bell icon up there, and then you'll get notified when I put up new videos. And if you want to watch another video, I got one over there for you.